let's remember, before we start running any of these types of programs, you always want to make a backup of your registry. So we're just going to quickly install this here for you. It shouldn't take too long, it's all pretty much self-explanatory. Okay, so as you can see, I've got some backups here. What I want to do, if you want to do a backup, you need to go to Registry Edit. Okay, so you need to type Reg Edit in the run bar. Okay, and you should do this first, and we'll just say yes to that. Okay, if you don't know how to do it, you can just basically come here, File, and Export. Okay, and then type your name in that you want, say backup, and then just do what you like really. Just save that and it will save it to your desktop, and that's pretty much the whole registry backed up. Okay, but if you watch some other videos, you'll know how to do this, and you can automate it so it does it for you by using the programs that I've suggested. Anyway, on with the video. So now we've got our registry backup, we can actually clean the registry or repair the registry. So let's have a little look at the options here, what we got. So if you come into options, there is a little create a system restore point before restoring errors, XP and Vista it says there. It will work with Windows 7 as well, so I'd suggest you do that really as well. You might as well. I'm not going to bother doing it because this is just a virtual box, so it doesn't really matter. Anyway, so now we've done that, I want to come to full scan. But if you knew the exact location that you wanted to scan, you could actually just put your ticks in areas that you wanted to scan in the registry. So say for instance it's in this location, you was getting error messages or something like that, or add and remove programs as something that's not quite uninstalled properly and it's still stuck in there, then you can actually come into this location here, put a few ticks, and then just start the scan. Okay, that's in custom settings, or custom scan I should say. So let's just do a full scan anyway and let that scan up. As you can see, it's not as pretty as RegCure and Reg Mechanic and Fixit Utilities and all stuff like that, but it does what it says on the tin basically. You just push that full scan and it will scan the registry. The reasons why I don't like using these types of programs is because it doesn't give you much control over the registry. If you delete the wrong thing, you could end up in worse trouble. That's why I suggest you back up your registry first. But I've been asked to give a free version for this type of program, so I thought I'd make a video. Anyway, I'm blabbering on now while this is scanning. I'm just going to pause the video. Okay, so that's the scan finished, and as you can see we have 529 errors found. Now the thing that amazes me with these types of programs is they always seem to find loads and loads of errors. Maybe it's because you've uninstalled programs or something like that, and there's loads of remnants left behind and it's found a load of dead registry keys that it doesn't use and it gets rid of them. So I mean, sometimes it could be in the thousands, but anyway, as I said, if you want to actually go ahead and fix these now, you can actually click on this Fix Errors tab here. I'm not going to bother doing it because I don't like these types of programs, but if you want to actually use that, you can actually fix these errors. And I do sometimes, I've used them occasionally on really infected PCs after I've cleaned them up, and they do seem to clean off a lot of the dead crap out of the registry and make the system run a little bit smoother and faster. So it's entirely up to you. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. My name is Brian from britech.co.uk. If you enjoy my videos, please remember, hit the subscribe button and show your support. Any comments, leave them up there and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Better still, you're best off to head over to the forum there, and like a lot of other people have done, you can get that at this web address here and post all your problems on there. We've got some nice guys on there answering people's questions and making tutorials. So thanks again for watching, guys. Thanks for your support. Bye for now.